Guys, thank you so much for stopping by and watching today's video. Today I'm showing you 5 DIYs using items from Dollarama and Dollartree. To make this 3-tiered shelf, I'm using 3 of these pine trays from Dollartree and also 2 of these hanging shelves. Next, I'm just marking with a pencil where I want these trays to be. I'm using a combination of wood glue and my glue gun. As shown in some of my previous videos, I'm making my own stain here. It's just a little bit of brown acrylic paint and some water. You can add some black to make the stain a little darker. For this one, I just went with the lighter color. For the sides of the shelf, I decided to go with an acrylic white. And this is how this shelf turned out. For this one here, I'm using 4 crates from Dollartree, and I'm using this long wooden piece here. I'm not too sure what it's called, but I'm using this as to glue it onto, and then the greenery will just go on top. I decided to add some lights to this one just to make it a little nicer. So you can pretty much make the back of these any size you want. You can add more crates to have a fuller box look, but I decided to go with just 2 crates, and I'm not too sure, I don't remember what size I used. I want to say about 30 inches or so. And then for the stain, again, I just did the acrylic paint and mixed with some water, and I added some black so that this one can be a little bit darker. And for the lights, I just use these string lights from Dollarama, wrapped them around the base of the back of these shelves, which you'll see me do here in a bit. Just some battery operated lights. So now I'm just making like a frame for the back of this. This is just so I can wrap the fairy lights around it. This is totally optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. These are like Jenga-like pieces from Dollartree. So that's it for this one. This one is by far my favorite one. I love how this one turned out, especially when it's all dark in the house and these are lit up. Just makes the house look a little cozy. You can see that I've done this two different ways. I've added fairy lights to the back, or you can put lights underneath, just inside the bottom crate. So most of the items you see here are from Dollarama. The only thing that is not is the clear lid. I found that at a thrift store. I didn't get it on camera, but after all this, I did add some Mod Podge to all of this. And that's it for this one. This was also one of my favorite DIYs. So for this DIY, again, I'm just using mostly items I have found at Dollarama. I hope you guys enjoy watching all these DIYs. I have so many projects coming out. I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button so you can see it. Hit that notification bell so you know every time that I have a new video. Thanks again guys so much for stopping by and watching this video. This completes all our DIYs. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you make it. Leave me a comment down below if you do end up making it. I'd love to see how yours turns out. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. And again, thanks again guys, and we'll see you in my next one. Bye!